So just stopped. I'm in Jefferson City, which is the capital of Missouri, and just was over at the state capitol and headed to lunch with some guys and saw this. And I thought, holy crap. And I see by the hubcap that it's international. So I'll see if I can get some information. But wow, this is cool just the way it sits. And the fact that it's undercover, someone's probably got some plans for it. So no engine. And unfortunately, probably can't see too much through the window. Handbrake. Boy, this would be a very cool. Put an LS swap on it. So, international Metro. Very cool. Back up and just get another side shot. Hi, you darn.